Hello and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thank you for joining us today. We're going to draw baseball superstar José Altuve of the Houston Astros, second baseman. José Altuve is a Venezuelan player, plays second base, and as of 2017 was the shortest active Major League Baseball player, standing at a large 5'6", or small, that should say. Weighing about 165 pounds. Altuve is an all-star, was a starter in the Major League Baseball All-Star Game several times, and in 2017 won the American League MVP award and the World Series in the same year. So let's get started. We're going to get our dark marker, pointed tip. It can be black or a dark gray. Find the center of your page, and then come up from the center, and we're going to draw José Altuve's head right here. And we'll start here. So we're going to draw the brim of the hat, kind of in this arch. Here we go. Small arch, like so. Come up. Another arch to follow that, and connect. Alrighty. One line, two lines up for the hat, and we're going to come over here with a curve up to a point and then down to the other side of the hat. Alright, so let's draw his face. We're going to go down to the chin, come up, round it up to the hat. Okay. And up by the hat, we're going to draw the ears that kind of poke out, an ear that pokes out. José Altuve has smaller eyes. He likes to smile a lot, so we're going to do these ovals that kind of slant up. So start right here. One oval, same size over here. Almost like two eggs on their side. Okay, so inside here we'll draw two white. We're going to leave these circles white. Those are the highlights of the eyes. Small one over there, small one right here. Arch. We're going to color these eyes in with our dark markers, leaving those circles inside white, as those are the highlights for the eyes. Okay. And color those in real quick, just to give it some life. As you can see, we left these areas. I like to get my baby blue marker here, color this in blue right here. This is simply to represent like the reflection of the stadium lights in the baseball stadiums. There we go. Get our dark marker back. Another arch. These are the eyebrows. Arch, they just kind of follow the contour of that eye. Up, and then to a point. There we go. Color those eyebrows in dark. And let's do the nose right here. We'll do down to a point, up and up. Okay? Now let's do his mouth. So we're going to do a point. That'll be the middle of the mouth. It'll go kind of like a shape of a bird. So up, and over and up like that. Down and connect. Okay? A couple smile lines. Fill in those corners with the black marker there. The bottom of the lip, just a straight line. And then let's draw some black marks for the baseball stripes that the players wear to keep the sun out of their eyes or the lights out of their eyes. Now he's always got this beard going on, so we're going to go down. Draw the mustache real quick. follows the contour of his lips. He's got this beard that goes down here, goes up, connects to the mustache, connects to the mustache. In this area, we'll fast forward this in the end, but this area is going to be kind of filled in black with the beard. I'm just going to do it now a little bit to give you an idea of where it's going to be, and then we will fill that in with the black marker toward the end. So the neck, we're going to go down, down, to a point, shoulder, shoulder. Now this is a cartoon, so we have small shoulders. Just do a big baseball over here, big circle. Doesn't have to be perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a thumb holding onto that baseball. The sleeves come in, down to a waist, straight across, and then up to that armpit area. We'll do his arm. And his hand is going to be sitting on top of this baseball bat. Curve for the baseball bat goes down and back up, kind of narrows into the handle. Okay, he's got a belt, always wearing that belt, and these small legs. 1, 2, his socks come down. We're going to do these big shoes, okay, these big cleats, like clown shoes. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. We stop at this bat because it goes behind the bat. Big oversized shoe. Comes straight across and up to the ankle. Down, straight across to the bat. Stop. Then start on the other side of that bat. Come across, up, down, and into the bat. Okay. Now this arm is going to just kind of disappear behind that baseball. Okay, so we have José Altuve blocked out here. We're going to get a blue marker. If you can get a dark blue marker, that'll be great. We'll start with the H up here. We'll do the Houston H. And if you need to pause, go ahead, because these details can get a little bit challenging at times. Okay. Point. Then under here we go out and down, out and down. We're doing the star, and then the bottom of the star is going to come down, down. Okay. We're going to color this hat blue, and we'll do a number 27 over here. Kind of squished in here, but these are small details we need to include. There's the 27 Altuve, and we'll do the Astros afterwards. So we're gonna hit fast forward. We're gonna do an orange jersey right here with our orange, gray pants, blue socks. We'll leave the cleats white, white baseball, blue hat, and that should be it. And a flesh color, of course. Thank you for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. José Altuve, second baseman for the Houston Astros. Fast forward now.